Why is it when people are turning right, they never move over? Afternoon pop pickers. It is a Saturday afternoon, about 4 o'clock. What am I doing out on a Saturday afternoon at 4 o'clock? I can hear you all asking. I am going to the Route 1066 CAF bike night on the baby LC, as you can see. Don't know if you can hear me, because after my Swan bike night video failure, my wireless mic said it had connected, but the fecking thing hadn't, so all I had was excessive wind noise peaking out. All you could hear was wind, so yeah, that was a bit crap. I thought it was going to be a decent mic, and it has been up till now. It said it was connected, but it didn't. So this evening, this afternoon, whatever, I have placed my mic in a completely radical place. I don't know if you can hear me, I don't know if you can hear the bike. I'll find out when I get home, won't I? I don't know why these action camera firms can't make a mic that goes down to about -20 on the dB level. 12's not quite enough, so I am going to crack my visor shut and we'll see if you can hear anything. So take the bite, don't worry about it, mate. Supposed to be meeting some of the two-stroke crew, probably about one of them I think. Obnoxious R1's going to be there. I doubt if he's got his Aprilia running yet. Should have bought a Yamaha, mate. So yeah, imagine it'd be quite busy because the sun's sort of out. We will find out momentarily. It's got a couple of lanes to go down and we will be there. Test this with the visor open. Like I say, one day somebody will sort a mic out that works. Did watch the video earlier, geezer's audio was quite clear, even with the wind noise. Well, didn't have any wind. But apparently he uses chin curtain. Last time I tried using mine, every time I took the lid off, nearly pulled my nose off. So if I've got a really big nose, or there's a knack to getting them off with the chin curtain on. down there. Smells bloody lovely. Fluffy dog. I do like a fluffy dog. Stop being a noisy dumbass. Don't think I've ever been down this lane before. This pleb in this Toyota in front, speeding up, slowing down, swerving all over the road just now. Don't know if it's so I can get past or whether they're just a really crap driver. Look, they're right over the fucking other side of the road now, braking because Saints come the other way. I think we need to get past. I think it's a woman in something that's a bit too big for her. See, I saw the tractor ages ago. I'm going to be stuck behind this pleb all the fucking way, you know. Nice holes down here. Oh, fuck me. It's not the best country lane in the world I've ridden. Thankfully, we're at the end of it. Now we've just got to go down the twisty hill. Watch out for policemen because it's bike night, so there's probably going to be fucking loads of them. That's it, you go that way. Which leaves me free to go around here. Better not speed, because I just know the policemen are going to be about. I think I'm going to win the award for coming furthest today. The couple have only lived about 15 minutes away. I must be 3/4 of an hour, depending on if you ride like a pleb or not. I really want to gun it up here, but I can't. I'll keep up with the cars. They're doing. Was he telling me there's policemen, or was he just enthusiastically waving? Fuck me, his car up in front's overtaking. So there ain't no police then. And there are people moving over. Thank you. Do.
Please pull you over. You're speeding. They do you for your camera.
I ain't got camera on if they pull me over. Yeah, I'll fucking lose them, won't I?
Yeah, fucking hell. Got to be going time to break speed limit on that, haven't you?
It does 200.
You should bring your one out and you can have a race with him. No, that's faster. It's a parallel. Yours should be powered. Your Mark 1 should be faster than that.
Is yours going or is it in bits?
No, they both go. They just don't go very well.
Bring it to the Swan.
Nah, too far to go.
Timmer tow ya.
The other one too far, then we can both go. Yeah, I'm pretty far. Oh, you got one now. You got one. But Martin said to me, he goes, you need to get an all speed. And he goes, that'll fucking sort it out.
Nah.
Really? And he went, yep.
Nah. Don't listen to him. Tell him Mick said he's got one on his and it just stops at 9.5
Yeah, 9.5 will do, mate, because it'll be screaming its fucking nuts off. It'll be doing a whole lot of 60 mile an hour, won't it?
Right, I'm gonna go.
Alright, mate.
Big wheelie coming up.
Come on then. Yeah.
You gonna video it?
Yeah, no, you're doing the videoing.
Yeah, but I can't video me wheeling, can I?
Yeah, you can just lift your chin up like that. When you pull away, you can go like that. Just keep it like that. Yeah, you can that. And then you can post it and go, did you see my wheelie?
Ready?
Well, wind it up, go on.
See you later.
See you later.
Right, that's the bike mate done. Quite busy. All the boys were there and now I've got to go back home down these dodgy country lanes. I've missed out on pizza and movie night tonight and all. A bit of a fucker. I am going to take the R1 out tomorrow though. So hopefully some of these videos come out. If it ain't, I'm going to be having the hump with this DJI lot. It's been good. I don't know what my new mic placement sounds like. Hopefully that's an improvement as well. Ooh, what's that, third gear pull away? As an afterthought, proof's going to be in the pudding, but I'm not sure if you're going to hear any of the bike where I've placed this mic. If it works, I might share it with you, but if it doesn't, I ain't going to tell you where I put it. Come on, people. It's starting to cloud up. They said it's going to rain about 7, I think. We ride like a bell end, we might make it home. We want to turn off somewhere here. Right about here. Right, I think we're done for our bike night. Getting a bit dusk and chilly. I'm probably going to call it here because I don't think anything exciting is going to happen. If it does, I'll chuck it in. If it doesn't, I won't. Apart from this silly fucker in this KA, he's doing my tits in. So, take it easy. Stay safe. Laterers. Fucking nuts. Oh, come on, baby.